Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to stack or combine widgets on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to next page and just click and hold on screen and click on widgets. So if you want to stack combine widgets, so select widget from here and after select widget click on add. Just click and hold on widget and drag widget and you will see paste in calendar widget. You will see after paste in calendar widget you will see widget is add on calendar. So if you want to see, click on widget and you will see from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can stack combine widget on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.